Natural ways to cleanse your colon with remedies. It is natural for food and other waste to accumulate inside the digestive system, including the colon. The accumulated waste may turn toxic in the long run and harm your health. A colon cleanse is a process that helps detoxify the body and improves digestive health. Apple juice. The fiber in apples has insoluble and soluble properties. It helps in bulking up your stool and make it easy to pass. This may aid your weight loss efforts. Additionally, apple may also prevent and inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells. Lemon detox drink. Lemons are rich in vitamin C that enhances metabolism and may aid detoxification. The nutrient is also a natural antioxidant that protects your body from free radical damage. As per a study, lemon detox diet could also reduce body fat. Yogurt. Yogurt is a natural probiotic that may help restore the beneficial gut flora. The intestine contains lots of good bacteria, the absence of which may cause a series of digestive and health problems. Yogurt is also a rich source of antioxidants. The daily consumption of yogurt helps in maintaining the level of probiotics in your body, which in turn could help in colon cleanse. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antioxidant and antibiotic properties that can be beneficial for a healthy gut and colon. The antibiotic property of apple cider vinegar is due to the presence of bacteria called acetobacter that aid digestion and the proper functioning of your gut. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar adds to the acid in your stomach, eliminates toxin, and could help you lose weight. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in sources of omega-3 fatty acids. The daily consumption of flax seeds is a short way to cleanse your colon due to the combined bulking effect and laxative effect of its compound. While the omega-3s are wonderful for your overall health, the seeds also contain antioxidants and fiber that could help increase your bowel movement. This way, it may help flush out the toxin from your body.